Let's go, go, go on a ride and enjoy this feeling inside. We're not sure what we will find, but we'll have a great time, so let's go see what we'll do, and do it all, me and you. Welcome to Aaron Press the Button Parks.
Day 2. Oh, well, and it's day 2 in Philadelphia City. Yeah, there's the prison bus. Neat. Over here, there's a mine restaurant, all-you-can-eat buffet. Thought it's cute how it's just nestled in and down. It's 9:30. We're gonna see if what we read was true, that they open the thrill rides a half hour early, which Shannon was saying earlier is like the direct opposite of Kennywood. They actually open up this whole area at 9 or 8:30 even, just for people to mill around and shop. That's really, really nice. I really appreciate that. What did you say?
This is Amish popcorn, but you cook it in a microwave. That doesn't make any sense. Right?
Cute little store. I think I want cinnamon bread. Or I should have ate more of my cinnamon roll, huh? Alright, I'll wait. Smells good in here.
Where's the eyes? Don't look over, you'll get smoke in your eyes.
Oh yeah, the train goes over this.
Over this?
Yeah, it does. Yeah, there's a jump right there. That's part of the show. Okay, now they're just intentionally messing with you.
Where are you going?
At least...
It looks like it has
At least the San Diego Zoo, when they do it for practical reasons. This is just and there's no train that goes underneath here. I was wrong. Oh, I was right. But I thought, yeah, never mind. Alright, we just went on Time Traveler for the third and most likely final time. It's a really fun ride, but the weird thing is, it's a pretty long line, but we thought it's just because it's the front of the park, it's the, you know, everybody goes there first. Oh no, it's...
Most of the reason is...
No, 99.9% of the reason is they're only running one train. Yesterday they were running 3, at least. Well, 3. I'm pretty sure they ran 3. That's really odd. The operations here are very uneven. Okay, we're going off over the swinging bridge. They're already most of the way over. And this is like, I don't know if it's running, if it's open or not, but it's like Eagle's Ascent. Well, this is a longer bridge than I thought it would be. Neat. Looks like it takes us back to where you can get cinnamon bread. Well, I'm glad I decided to walk across because they went so far ahead of me I didn't want to catch up, so I just meet them on the other side, but I would have never found where the other side was. Alright, now we're about to go in the cave tour. What? Oh, darn it! Told you. And that's the sinkhole we're going into, the cave. Cool. These are steep. Alright, here we go. Dang it, I said alright again. I started, never mind.
When you get to the river, stop and keep moving to the right, looking around on both sides, circle all the way around. Everybody gets a chance to look over. hold the rail so I don't get fired. See what I can. Thanks, everybody. We're all required to hold the rail as we go.
Jesus.
Where y'all from? Oh, I was gonna tell you. You've been in here before? I have. She has. Oh, well, it's about time you showed up now. And you can say your name. That's great. A lot of people behind you, that might mean you might want to move over and let them go around so you don't have to move as fast. And then you
It's like
can
Indiana
be able to
Jones and the
catch up
Temple of
while they're
Doom.
getting their photos out of the way.
Like something from a dream.
Right over here to the left. To launch a balloon up on the square for the grand opening ceremony. Safe to do so. Well, Jack said, let's try something else. So they brought all the parts and pieces down here into this cave, launched it, and set the underground altitude record for flight. We've broken several Guinness Book of World Records since then. So at the end of the tour, make sure to stop by where I'll be standing to look at all the 4 occasions balloons have been flown in here. They're really beautiful. And I'll also be happy to show you the picture of the very crazy hot air balloonist that was sitting on top of her hot air balloon so she could touch that ceiling. We call her a balloonatic. Come on down. That's really
Okay. One of the coolest things I've ever done. I'm not recording a lot because a lot of the passageways are narrow and steep.
Now, watch your head here, but notice as we start up these stairs how the sound of the waterfall starts to listen to.
Yeah. Well, it might be raining out there.
That's not around your wrist again. You really want to traffic, don't you?
Uh-huh. Wow.
This morning on bacon.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
That's so neat. Yeah, that wasn't as bad.
No.
Well, was that hard for you?
No.
Yeah. Now we take the train out. Hopefully it starts. Hopefully she was just teasing us about that. So what's up? Yeah, it's getting so warm.
Hot out here. But this asphalt, you can literally squish it.
That's crazy.
Good thing we're in a 60-degree cave for more than an hour.
Yeah. Isn't that weird? Oh wow, it's squishy right here too. I've never experienced that, and I'm from Arizona. You want to draw your name in there? Maybe it'll harden.
Yeah, you can advertise for your channel.
Alright,
Where does that rank in your top? And you said alright again. How does that rank in your top 10 posters? Does it rank in your top 10?
Who are you asking?
You.
Yes.
Mine too. That's my number
You know
3.
what number it is for you?
No.
That's my number 3 too.
Yeah, that's a
Do we
real.
have the same top 3?
Yeah, we have the same top 3.
Steel Vengeance, Tatsu, and
Time Travelers. That's a lot of fun. Anyway, we went on it 4 times. Still running 1 train, but it was fine now because, like you said, everybody goes there first thing in the morning. But yeah, it was fine.
We got a cool keychain.
Yeah, we got a cool keychain that we're gonna use as an ornament because it looks cool. We're gonna head out, buy some more stuff, and then maybe check into our room.
Maybe swim.
Yeah, maybe so. Our little propane friend invites us to our room, Shady Acre, I think it's called. We got an easy to remember room number 1. And we can't smoke in here, so that sucks, but whatever. We'll have to live with that. This is our room, typical nice little room.
Nice.
Our TV doesn't have a tube.
You
What?
like this back? Look at that.
Oh, there's a power strip down there. That is nice. And is there a microwave? Check the door. Probably. Cool, fridge and microwave. Nice. Our last place didn't have a microwave, so we had to buy popcorn at a 50s diner. But we're going to be in here for a little bit. We might go swimming, we might not. And then we're going to go explore more of we're going to go to downtown Branson. It's like we're at Animal Kingdom Watch. We got a giraffe. We can look out our window and look at a giraffe. We're at Jumbo House.
Somebody forgot their pasta. We went swimming. And now we're on our way to Michael's and Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' Donuts. My two favoriteest places. And Aaron's too. Right? 55 miles an hour. Okay.
Aaron, do you want one of these giant donuts? No? Alright. Well, we're getting coffee. We just went to Michael's to get Mommy her threads, but we only found one color, not the other one. So probably in Des Moines, we'll get the other one. Mommy wants to eat at a steak place. I guess that's where we're going to be going after this, and then we're going to go explore downtown Branson. Did I say alright that time? Did I go alright? I don't think I did.
I think you might have.
I'm learning. Alright, we're in downtown Branson now. We only showed you a 20-second clip. That's all you really needed to see. We're, like Shannon was saying, we're incredibly spoiled. I mentioned that World of Color has nothing to worry about. But I mean, that's a big Disney production.
You have to pay to see that.
Oh,
You don't have to pay for it.
Right.
But last year,
They're doing fire now.
okay, I guess it's more than one. So.
Alright.
I'd rather go see it in the dark now than see it again.
Maybe just get two. You don't want to spend all that money, all the 56 cents. But anyway, we're at Dick's 5 and 10.
Yeah, we went to Michael's to look for DMC, and that's unfortunate because we didn't even have to go to Michael's. We could have just came here.
Yeah, but we didn't know that. Look, there's a full aisle.
Oh, of needle art. I mean,
Some of it's not, but
it's just embroidery or whatever, but it's still crazy that they have.
yeah. All right,
You gotta start kids early these days.
That's crazy. Well, they used to have cell phones, and I mean that's just the natural evolution.
I know, but still, that's pathetic. Like, just
That's
go
not
to the real one.
But then they'll want to play it, or because the new ones are like,
Scrapaloves, each sold separately.
yeah, why? I don't know.
Is there actual little
No.
Vaseline in there? Is there a little peanut butter
No.
in there? Or teeny tiny
That would be
cupcakes?
awesome. I want to get one.
Little gums? Yeah, then I'd get one.
A little cupcake, sure.
What's the point?
Check out this mess of a store.
Do you want to see the most gaudiest store I've ever seen in my life?
Well, I don't know. Yeah, but this is.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, well, it looks better from over here. I don't think so. And then, even greater view.
We just went to Dick's 5 and 10,
Yeah, I took a couple small videos in
and
there.
I got my
Yeah, they know. They saw.
box. I actually purchased it.
Wow. Wall to wall crap. We're at Garfield's. But it should be open today. I know. That's right! Okay, we just finished eating dinner at Garfield's. It was a good meal. I like my steak and ribs. This is a weird store, and I couldn't even. Aaron did not want to go to this arcade. He goes, which is so weird. Was it Saltgrass? No. Oh. But I don't think we're gonna go in there. But I just wanted to walk down because I saw the flashing lights.
Might as well just finish walking the end of this.
May as well. Yeah, and this is gonna be the last thing we do tonight, I believe, unless something really catches our eye. All right, that was a successful day. We went on time traveler 2 more times, and we went on that RMC that we liked another time.
And I found my DMC class.
Yeah, and you're putting it to work already?
No,
Oh, okay.
but I am fast teaching.
And we went in that awesome cave tour. What was your favorite thing about today?
Probably the cave tour.
Yeah, the cave tour was pretty special. I said it at the time, I don't know if I said it on the video, but that is one of the coolest things that I've done.
Yeah, and the cool part was, I like it when you walk down those stairs so fast.
Yeah.
And then you look back to where you were, and it was
It's like,
whoa,
yeah,
right here.
because it was so
And you could see
steep.
the sun kind of shining in, and it just looked like a great cloud.
Yeah, you were going down hundreds of feet pretty quick without even realizing it.
Yeah, they said they could fit a 20-story building and a whole city block inside.
Yeah, and then they showed the pictures that 5 hot air balloons were in there. I can't believe.
We bought the book.
Yeah, we bought the book. We got sucked in.
It wasn't that expensive either. It was only $8.
Yeah, that's fine. And the funny thing is, tomorrow, it's what time is it? Almost 11?
10:40.
Yeah, we have no idea what we're doing tomorrow. There's like 10 different options. We could be in Des Moines by 4 o'clock tomorrow. We could stay here another day. We could be doing something. Who knows? I think we're going to be staying here another day, but we'll see how it goes.
What does Aaron want to do?
I'm fine with whatever.
Yeah, I'm fine with whatever too. I'm with Aaron on this one. So, Aaron, press the button, and hopefully the button will help us decide what we're doing. We'll find out. Aaron, press the button.